Welcome to TechieLeaper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install Python on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer without Microsoft Store. So, we need to open our browser at first, and on Google, just search for download Python. Then just go to the first website. Now, from this website, you need to select which operating system you have. I have Windows, so I'm just gonna select Windows. And from here, you're gonna see all the version of Python. I want the 64-bit version as my OS is 64-bit. So I'm just gonna click on this. And it is downloading. And after it has been downloaded, just click on Open File. Then you can minimize this. You can select Use Admin Privilege when installing py.x. You can also select this, add python.exe to the path. You can then just click on Install Now. Then just click on yes, then just wait patiently. Python will be installed in your software. Then just click on close. And there you go, Python has been installed. And to verify it, just go ahead and restart your system. After that, come back and open up CMD. And in here, type Python ---- version. So just type this and hit enter. As you can see, Python version is coming back. And if your Python has not been installed, it will not give any output. So as you can see, Python has been installed successfully. And basically that is how to download and install Python on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer without Microsoft Store. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.